All right, guys, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic. I have a group of people here. They're special, like all my customers, but each one is unique, and I want them to express something. They were going to tell me about how they felt about the food, so I told them I want them to say it on camera so that people can hear. What's your name, my brother?
Yeah, my name is Nathan.
Nathan.
Yep.
Where you from, bro?
Originally, I'm from Miami, Florida.
Okay, so he knows food. Let's
love
hear.
it.
You was gonna tell me something. I would like you to tell me along with the people.
So one thing I experienced while I was here was I was told that the food was a masterpiece in art.
Wow.
You see what I'm eating?
Thank you.
And patience goes a long ways, man.
right.
This food is all the change. So
Wow, thank
get an
you.
opportunity, come visit my man, and when you get here, make sure you exercise some patience because what you're gonna get, you're gonna get nowhere else.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
I mean that.
I appreciate that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go to
appreciate
them
you, man.
individually. You wanted a little combination of stuff.
I did. I wanted it.
But I wanted to make sure I get you what you want. But we settled it.
Absolutely, and I brought me another plate, so
All
I got
right.
it. So I wanted to try the different variety of foods that you have.
Yeah.
I was fortunate to get the last of this beautiful Jamaican
Oxtail.
oxtail,
Get the last of it.
and I got right now. My man is making some curry chicken, and I'm gonna take that back with me. But this is the best oxtail I've had, hands
Wow.
down.
And he's from Miami, and there's all Jamaicans there.
And I
You know-
thank you 100%.
And I want to say this though, all praise is due to the Most High, the Creator, because He gives me the information and I do it. I can't take the credit, and that spirit is in all of my customers, and that's why they can appreciate it. My brother, your name?
Joe,
Joe. Let them hear
from
your
New
feel-
York. From New York.
From New York.
Yeah, so you know I have all my
Of course.
bacon, all my,
Oh,
my
yeah.
West Indian food.
Oh yeah,
So yeah,
absolutely.
authentic, tasty. Can't describe it.
You can't say anything. But I appreciate you, Joe,
Yes.
from New York.
Yes.
And I'm gonna go to my brother's wife first. Beauty before age, my little brother. And what is your name, Miss?
Amber.
And Amber. Amber is always a beautiful name because amber is the next color before the light shines.
Yes.
So it gives you a neutral zone. So you're lucky to be talking to Amber. Amber, where you from?
Miami, Florida.
She's from Miami. She's the wife of the gentleman
Yes.
over here. Okay, so tell us your experience with the food you had.
Got the jerk chicken. It's delicious, full of flavor. Perfect hand of spice.
Wow,
Goes
thank you.
well together with the rice.
What you think about? I had a customer who came in here, and she'd never had authentic jerk chicken before.
Okay.
And she made a comment that there was too much clove or something on there, but she had never had a taste of. She's used to the dry jerk chicken. So what do you think about the jerk?
It's very moist. It's delicious. Perfect seasoning.
And yet, you know what? She eat the whole plate.
Yes.
She cleaned up even the bone, and she was complaining. She went and make a comment. But thank you, Amber. Enjoy your meal, and I appreciate you.
No problem.
Now, my brother here, what's your name?
Joel,
Joel. So Joel, you tell them, yeah, the lovely people. Where you from, Joel?
Miami.
He's from Miami, so they're all from Miami, so they're no stranger to Jamaican food, guys. So let's hear it from Joel.
From my point of view of this, amazing food.
Thank you.
So the fact alone, like I've never tried curry, I've never tried jerk, and the taste of it is phenomenal.
Wow.
Hits home.
He's never tried either one. And
home.
listen to this. Usually when people don't try something for the first time, they skeptical and they don't like it. He like it. Once again, guys, I'm not here to take credit. This is why I want my customers to speak. I want them to tell you themselves. So listen to the customer and the ones that sit here pouring out their heart at the food. And this is what I want you to hear. So you finish. Go ahead, Joel. You finish? Oh, he had the curry chicken. Okay, that's my curry. And it doesn't look like normal curry that you get because the curry that you get is plumbing. It's a yellow coloring. It's not authentic. Curry is not 100% yellow. Okay, guys? And a lot of people have never tasted authentic food. So
That's why I had to
once-
get me an extra plate.
I forgot to tell you, he had an extra plate because he had, I mean,
So,
Hey, and you wanted to-
I asked when I first got here, and you had to forgive me because I come from the States, so I
Of course.
I wanted to try a little bit of everything.
everything, yeah.
And this is a very special place, so
Yeah, thank you. How did you hear
and you
about
know
the
what?
place? How did you hear about it?
know what? My brother here has been coming here for many, many years, and he told me, hey man, this is where it's at. So,
Well, thank you.
so I got me a second plate, and it's being made right now. So stay tuned.
It's curry. That's the curry to go. It's already done.
I'm eager to try it because I'm very familiar with curry, and
Yeah.
you know what? A lot of the curry in the States is really, really light.
It's yellow. I'm gonna bring it up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring it out. It's ready.
If anything, since I ordered a small, I'd rather have ordered a large
Right.
or a second order.
He wanted because you know what?
At that point,
He probably was so tasty that he didn't have enough. But guys, once again, I always have a parting shot when I do these videos. Remember this, guys. I am a herbalist, okay? I do natural remedies, natural healing. I have a lot of people that I help. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will see a lady from Ukraine that I help her get rid of a lot of the diseases that she has. And I want to say this to you guys. I cook my food a certain way so that, say, for example, rice. Rice is a hybrid food, and I'm aware of that. So the stuff that I put in my rice, if you notice in your rice, guys, there's leaves.
Cloves.
And leaves and little seeds. Those are the pimento leaves.
Oh.
That's some of the stuff I put in to make it digestible, because your body's an electrical. Everything you eat must make a contribution to your digestion. And if you're just going in and just eating food, because when the food is digested, it's gonna create hydrochloric acid and sits in your stomach, you're gonna get acid reflux. This is why when people eat, they get that reflux, because the body wants to throw off that acid. So the food that they prepare is not prepared so to help your system to get rid of that. So I'm going to give you some more tips. You must drink pH balanced water of neutral or 7 point and up after you eat your food to absorb and neutralize the acid in the stomach if you want to help your stomach with acid reflux. Hydrochloric acid does not digest food, guys. Okay? Hydrochloric acid is the byproduct of bicarbonate of soda, which is what the body uses to digest food. So I'm giving you some free tips, and I want to once again thank the people for coming. Bless and love, my brother.
Bless.
Boom shot. One love. Peace out.
Thank you
And
so
I
much.
appreciate your patience. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you
guys.
for your food.
Thank you, guys.